friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we're drawing something magical, a unicorn, and guess what? There's a fun fact about unicorns waiting for you later in the video. So stick around to learn something amazing while we draw. Let's get started. Did you know unicorns are often seen as symbols of kindness and magic? In ancient stories, people believed only those with pure hearts could see a unicorn. Isn't that enchanting? Wow! Our unicorn is looking so magical. Can you think of where it might live? Maybe on a rainbow or in a magical forest. Keep going. You're doing great. Now that our unicorn is drawn, it's time to bring it to life with colors. You can use any colors you love. Unicorns are magical, so they can be any color you imagine. Remember, your unicorn doesn't have to look exactly like mine. The best thing about art is that you can make it your own. Add your favorite colors or even give your unicorn wings if you want. Keep creating and having fun. You can draw this unicorn for so many occasions. Use it as a decoration for a birthday party, a card for someone you love, or just for fun when you're feeling creative and magical. Who would you draw this for? Wow! Look at your magical unicorn. You did such an amazing job. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Create for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time.